All right, welcome to Pâté en Croûte channel, Mr. Pâté en Croûte. Today we're gonna go through, or today on the next few days, we're gonna go through the preparation of the Pâté en Croûte for the Thanksgiving party that we're throwing the Saturday. I know Thanksgiving is not the right date, but we are in the UK, so we're doing it with our friends on Saturday. What I love to do before starting cooking a big project is sharpening my knife. So not the most interesting and the most, I would say, video content oriented, but I really like to spend a bit of time sharpening my knife before starting a big project like this. So to cut the veggies, to cut the pretty much everything it makes my life so much easier. And I think the feeling of having a nice sharp knife before starting anything, or when you cut something, it makes the process more enjoyable. So I will go through, I'll try to time myself to just it's not a whetstone, it's just a normal stone. I have two knives that I like, two Japanese knife, and I'll spend about 2 minutes on each side on a big, and then remove the fillet, and with the other side. So probably accelerate this part in the video, but again, first stage, step one, bear with me. I know my knife skills are not great, so at the end of the process, I will not try to slice a piece of paper because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work. So I'm not gonna fail myself on purpose, but I think for me it's good enough. A little bit more on the edge, on the top. Switching side, always a bit more difficult because I'm not left-handed, but trying to be consistent with the angle. Usually say around 30% angle. You know, if you can do that with your eye, yeah, I can't. I just do it. Again, if you have tips how to do that better, please put something in a comment, and yeah, I'd love to have some tips. Really not good at that. Okay, let's switch side. Finish this off. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Second one's a bit bigger, so give it more time. really listening to the noise to make sure everything's right, or to make sure I believe I make things right. You know, when it's scratch is not good, so trying to be as parallel as possible as on the stone. When it's scratch like this, not good. I think you want to be as flat as possible. I mean, as parallel as possible. The angle make it. I have enough. Just switch side. Wow. Okay. So now you can feel that, you know, it's not smooth, so you need to. Oh, I was on the wrong side. Anyway. Hopefully it's gonna be good enough for today, otherwise I'll start again. But I'm not gonna spend 2 hours showing you guys how to sharpen a fucking knife. F knife, sorry. Hopefully it's gonna be good enough for today, otherwise I'll start again. But I'm not gonna spend 2 hours showing you guys how to sharpen a fucking knife. F knife, sorry. Yeah. Good enough. Back to where it belongs to. The drawer of mess, that's how I call it. Put that on the side, and yeah, I'll take you back in a few minutes, just getting ready for the step 2. Step 2 will be preparing the dough for the pâté en croûte. So I'll give you more details, but this one's going to be a bit different from what we used to do for pâté en croûte. See you in a bit.